Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can deactivate a TikTok account. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open up our TikTok application. And after we have our TikTok application opened, we can go to our TikTok profile and go to the TikTok setting by clicking on these three lines on the top right. Okay, and you have to select settings and privacy. And here you have to go to your account setting. All right, and since we want to deactivate our TikTok account, we can click on deactivate or delete account and select deactivate account. Then you just need to click on deactivate right here, and after that your TikTok account will be deactivated. Alright guys, and that's how we can deactivate TikTok account. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.